Good morning all of you student. So today we want to see the lecture on the TY physics, and we have to see here the subject which is the solid state physics. We want to continue here the first chapter point, that is Miller indices. In last lecture already we have see here how find the intercept of the Miller indices or how to find the Miller indices. In this lecture, we want to see the general idea of the Miller indices of the cubic structure, or also see here what is meant by interplanar distance and how it is obtained. So this idea will be see here. So in this point, the Miller indices of a cubic plane system, so that if we have consider the plane is parallel to one of the coordinate axis, the plane is parallel to one of the coordinate axis. That means that, for example, in the cubic system, that is considered as, for example, that three axis system, and that three axis system which have considered here the cube structure. And that cubic structure, see here, so for example, this is y-axis, this is z-axis, and this is x-axis. So if we consider here, when a plane which is parallel to one of the coordinate axis, that said to be meet at the axis, that point which is considered as the infinity, and that point infinity which is considered in terms of the Miller indices or reciprocal of this infinity, so that 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. So that is Miller indices of this axis which is considered as 0. So for example, consider as how it is say that if the any of the plane which is parallel to the axis. So for example, this axis is which is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is z-axis, and we have consider draw a plane which is parallel to this y-axis, which is parallel to this is y-axis. So consider this, or for example, this point which is intersect from this point, which is intersect for this point, and which is also contain this plane which is parallel to this axis, and similarly again this which is considered as parallel to the z-axis, So what happens there, this plane which is intersect only this x-axis and parallel to the y-axis and z-axis. So consider as the plane which is parallel this y-axis and z-axis. So consider as this point meet at the infinity, and you have to know that the definition of infinity, that have considered the infinite ray point, and that's why this plane intersect for this point. So consider that x-axis which is consider as the numerical parameter 1 and other which is infinity, so that consider the idea. Okay, so now next point we want to see here, when the intercept of the plane is on the negative side of the axis. What is the intercept of the plane which is negative of the axis? So consider that the Miller index which is distinguished by the minus sign which is placed directly over it. So for example, consider suppose this is the coordinate system, for two axis or two axis, and for example, so consider your point which is on the y-axis is it positive point, and this point which is considered and the negative point, negative axis, this is negative axis and this is positive axis. And if we consider draw any trajectory for here, and if this point is coming for this direction or this direction, so that side and that side which is considered as the negative numerical parameter, and that's why which is considered as the minus side which is directly placed over it. For example, either 2 axle unit, so consider as this is numerical parameter is -2, or in writing passion which is considered as bar 2. So this type of passion. So in first figure, so that figure which is considered as the figure first A, and consider as in this figure, okay, the shaded plane which is considered as this plane, or this plane property which is considered as the intersect which is only on the x-axis, as consider this one point. And if we see here, so this plane which is parallel to this y-axis, and this side which is parallel to this z-axis, this side which is parallel to z-axis, and this side which is parallel to the y-axis. So consider as this on the y-axis the numerical parameter intercept point which is considered as infinity, this z-axis the numerical parameter point which is considered as infinity, and this is the numerical parameter which is considered as 1. So that's consider this plane which is considered as, so this plane which is considered as 1 0 0 plane, 1 0 0 plane. Because of why, you have to get idea how it calculate the numerical parameter. So that consider the value of on the axis, that is considered as 1 infinity infinity. After that we have to see here the check or take the reciprocal of this point, so that is considered as 1 upon 1, after that 1 upon infinity, and after that 1 upon infinity. After that we have to see that the lowest common LCM which is multiply this, or here LCM which is considered as 1, so multiply by 1 1 and 1, so getting the value which is here 1 0 0. That's why consider this plane considered as the 1 0 0 plane. Now next structure which is considered as, for example, in the cubic system, so define as the 3-axis unit, so that is considered as the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So this is x-axis, consider as this y-axis, and this is considered as the z-axis. So if we have to see here, so this is the cubic system, and we have considered the plane which is parallel to the y-axis, and intersect on the z-axis and x-axis. So that figure which is considered as this plane point which is intersect on this x-axis and z-axis, and z-axis, and which is parallel to the y-axis. So what is considered, so for example, this type of plane which is parallel to the y-axis and intersects on the x-axis and z-axis. So consider in this plane, the numerical parameter which is considered is here 1, in z axis is 1, and which is not intersect on the y axis, so that's why which is considered as the infinity, So if we see that the Miller indices process that intercept on the axis term or axis system, so intercepts on axial system, so that consider here on the x-axis parameter, y-axis parameter and z-axis parameter, here one, here point which is parallel to the y-axis plane, so that's why I consider as the infinity point, and here again intersect on the one axial unit, that's why 1, taking reciprocal of each other, so consider 1 upon 1, 1 upon infinity, and again 1 upon 1, and their LCM is 1, which is multiplied by 1, so get the Miller indices parameter is 1, 0 and 1. So here what is intercept point? Okay, this is numerical parameter in this step, which is considered as take reciprocal and multiply by MCM, and here we have to get the Miller indices. Okay, so this is the steps, so that's why which is considered as this plane is 101 plane, so this is the figure B, which is considered as 101 plane. Again we have to see here consider as the 1 plane, so the see the idea about the 1 plane consider as here, so consider as the axial unit system or axis coordinate 3-axis coordinate system in the 3-dimensional space, so that is considered as this type. So consider, so this is the cubic system, okay. So for example, this is the x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis, or for example this is y-axis and this is z-axis. So new system which is considered here, the point which is intersect and 1 axial units on each axis for x, y, z. So consider as this point intersect for this, the plane point intersect on this x-axis and z-axis. Again consider this point which is intercept on this point to this y-axis point, so again consider as this point, and this axis to this point connected, so this plane which is considered as the intercept on the x-axis is 1, y-axis is 1, z-axis is 1. Okay, so this type of, so consider that axial, this type of how to find the Miller indices, which is considered as the intercept, so that intercept which is considered as 1 1 1 for x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now this is the numerical parameter. Now again taking the reciprocal of this, so reciprocal is 1 upon 1, 1 upon 1, 1 upon 1. Now multiply by LCM, which is considered as 1 upon 1 into 1, comma 1 upon 1 into 1, comma 1 upon 1 into 1, so which is considered the Miller indices, that Mi, which is considered as 1 1 1. So that's why we have to say that this plane is 1 1 1 plane, 1 1 1 plane, which is considered in the figure C. So this is the idea about the Miller indices of the cubic plane system, or the Miller indices of cubic crystal planes. Okay, now next lecture we want to see here what is mean by the interplanar resistance and how its formula obtained, which is seen in the next lecture. So thanking of you.